Speak Listen Hub. Talk show.
Hey Rosie, you look cold.
Yeah, this wind is freezing.
Wanna grab some tea?
Yes, tea sounds really perfect.
I can get 2 cups.
Thanks, you always think ahead.
Do you like it hot?
Yes, extra hot is better.
Here, be careful, it's steaming.
Thanks, it smells really amazing today.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, woke up too early.
I had trouble sleeping too.
The snow is so calming now.
Yes, quiet makes mornings feel peaceful.
Look, the street looks completely empty.
Yeah, snow makes everything seem different.
I like walking with you today.
Me too. It's fun together always.
Want to throw some snow around?
Yes, let's make a small snowball.
Careful, don't hit my face.
Haha. Okay, I will be careful.
Look, footprints cover the whole street.
Yeah, animals and kids were walking.
I like watching small birds here.
Me too. They move very fast.
The coffee is really warming me.
Mine too. It's perfect for cold.
The wind is starting to stop.
Yes, snow is falling very slowly.
Look, kids are sliding down hills.
That looks fun. They are laughing.
I wish I had a sled.
Maybe we can borrow one tomorrow.
Good idea. We can slide together.
I like watching people enjoy snow.
Me too. It feels so cheerful.
Look, the trees are white too.
Yes, snow covers every small branch.
I like listening to snow crunch.
It sounds soft under my feet.
Walking slowly makes everything more peaceful.
The street lights look nice today.
Yes, golden lights on white snow.
Do you like snowy mornings more?
Yes, mornings feel calm and quiet.
Look, someone is shoveling the driveway.
Yes, hard work but looks good.
I like helping friends with snow sometimes.
Me too. Small help makes big difference.
Look, snow is sticking on branches.
Yes, icicles are forming slowly there.
They look very pretty in sunlight.
Yes, shiny ice is very beautiful.
I want to take some photos.
Me too. Snow makes everything special.
Look, the park is empty today.
Yes, snow makes quiet and clean.
I like walking here every winter.
Me too. It feels calm and safe.
Let's make footprints together in snow.
Good idea. Straight lines or zigzag?
Let's do zigzag. It looks funny.
Haha. Yes, snow prints are fun.
Look, the bench is full of snow.
Yeah, sitting there will be very cold.
Let's clean it first with our hands.
Okay, careful. Snow is very heavy sometimes.
Look, someone left small toys in snow.
They will get cold and wet fast.
Kids leave their toys everywhere today.
Yes, snow makes kids happy outside.
The frozen fountain looks really amazing.
Yes, water turned ice completely now.
I like seeing ice patterns closely.
Me too. Nature is always creative.
Look, the sky is very gray.
Yes, maybe snow will fall later.
I hope it continues until evening.
Yes, snow makes everything quiet and calm.
My hands are very cold now.
Here, take my extra gloves quickly.
Thanks, now I feel much better.
You should drink your warm coffee.
Yes, it helps me a lot.
Look, snow covers the car windows.
Yes, they look like small white boxes.
I like drawing on snow-covered windows.
Me too, shapes and letters are fun.
Look, the street is very slippery.
Yes, we should walk more slowly.
Good idea. Careful steps are important.
I like listening to snowfall.
Yes, soft sounds make mine relax.
Snow feels different every single day.
True, no day is exactly same.
Let's walk toward the small cafe.
Okay, warm drinks are waiting there.
I can't wait for hot chocolate.
Here is the warm cafe.
It smells really good inside.
Let's sit near the window.
Yes, I like looking outside.
I will order our drinks.
I want hot chocolate today.
Okay, 2 hot chocolates then.
Thank you, you are very kind.
No problem, I like helping friends.
The heater here feels very nice.
Yes, it's warming after cold walk.
Look, snow is still falling outside.
Yes, soft flakes are coming down.
Children are playing outside happily today.
It's fun to watch them laugh.
I like when snow covers streets.
Me too. Everything looks calm and quiet.
The cafe is very cozy now.
Yes, I like warm coffee shops.
The chairs feel soft and comfortable.
Let's sit longer and relax here.
I like this peaceful winter moment.
Yes, quiet mornings are very calming.
Do you want some cookies today?
Yes, small chocolate cookies are perfect.
Look, someone is reading near fireplace.
That looks nice. Fire is warm.
I like looking at flames slowly.
Me too. Fire feels very cozy.
Our drinks are coming very quickly.
Yes, hot chocolate smells really good.
I like how whipped cream looks.
Me too. Looks soft and sweet.
Look outside. The snow is heavier.
Yes, flakes are big and soft.
I like catching snowflakes with hands.
Me too. They melt very fast.
The cafe music is very soft.
Yes, makes conversation easy and pleasant.
I like sitting here with you.
Me too. Winter feels more fun.
Look, people are walking dogs outside.
Yes, dogs enjoy snow too clearly.
I like seeing footprints in snow.
Me too. Shapes are fun to watch.
The hot chocolate is very sweet.
Yes, tastes better than I expected.
I like drinking slowly, enjoying warmth.
Me too. Cold hands feel better.
Outside snow is covering every tree.
Yes, looks like white cotton everywhere.
I like how quiet it feels.
Me too. Streets feel peaceful now.
Look, someone is making small snowman.
Yes, children always love small snowmen.
I like seeing snowmen with hats.
Me too. They look really funny.
I want to make one later.
Good idea. We can make two.
Maybe small one and big one.
Yes, that will be really fun.
I like putting carrot noses always.
Me too. Eyes and scarf are important.
The cafe lights look very soft.
Yes, warm light feels very comfortable.
I like winter afternoons with friends.
Me too. Snow makes everything special today.
Look, the city looks very quiet.
Yes, snow makes cars drive slowly.
People are walking carefully on sidewalks.
Me too. Icy roads are very dangerous.
The street is empty near park.
Yes, maybe kids are inside now.
I like the sound of silence.
Me too. Winter is calm outside.
Let's take some photos of snow.
Good idea. Snow pictures always look nice.
I like capturing small snowflake details.
Me too. Tiny flakes look magical.
The cafe is getting more crowded now.
Yes, people like warm drinks too.
I like calm before busy hours.
Me too. Peaceful moments are special.
Look, someone is reading newspaper quietly.
Yes, calm mornings are best for reading.
I like sitting near windows always.
Me too. Watching outside is relaxing here.
The snow outside is very soft.
Yes, perfect for making footprints and snowmen.
I like feeling cold and warm together.
Me too. Warm drinks help a lot.
Let's finish drinks slowly and enjoy.
Yes, no need to hurry today.
Look outside, the sky is gray.
Yes, Maybe snow will fall again.
I like quiet snowy afternoons always.
Me too. Peaceful moments are important.
The street lights will come soon.
Yes, night with snow feels magical.
I like spending winter days together.